What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grilled Hay, and today I'm showing you one of my favorite simple recipes for grilled halibut on the grill. It's got a beautiful lemon thyme butter. You're gonna love this one. I'm gonna show you how to do it, so let's get started. I've got 4 beautiful skinless halibut fillets. You can cook these skin on. I prefer skinless because I want to get the flavor of the grill on all sides. I'm gonna season them lightly with salt and pepper, and then make a honey, garlic, and thyme compound butter to drizzle over the top. I've got a few tablespoons of melted butter, a little bit of fresh lemon juice, some fresh thyme leaves, and some grated garlic. Mix that all together with a fork, and then it goes right on top of our halibut. These are very simple, classic, low fuss ingredients with pretty high impact. Halibut is a really mild white fish. It's firm, so it holds up well on the grill, but it has a really mild fish flavor. So adding just light accents like the thyme and the garlic and the lemon lets the fish really shine, but adds a little bit of richness and acidity. So good. The butter on the outside is also going to help our fish not stick to the grill. I've got my grill preheated. It's about 375 degrees. I'm doing this over charcoal. You can do this on a gas grill as well. I want to really reinforce the non-sticking thing with fish. So I'm gonna dunk a paper towel in a little bit of avocado oil and just run that across my grill grates where I wanna drop my fish. My fish is going on the grates where I oiled. I'm gonna close the lid and let this go for about 4 to 5 minutes. I want the fish to be fully cooked through on one side before I even touch it. Trying to flip the fish too early will almost guarantee that your fish is going to stick and fall apart on the grill. This nice medium-high temperature, using the fat, letting the fish cook all the way through, those are all really simple tricks to make sure you get beautiful grilled fish without having them flake apart or fall apart on you while they're on the grill. Now the fish is delicate, but it's held together beautifully on the grill. When you are flipping your fish on the grill, make sure you use a thin metal spatula. It helps a ton. Now these guys were cooked to about 140, 145 degrees. Internal temperature, it really only takes about 10 minutes. I like to serve it with a little bit more of the fresh thyme and some fresh lemon wedges. Now this is beautiful, just like this, on a side with some rice or some roasted veggies or some pasta, but it's also phenomenal in tacos. I have a grilled fish taco recipe you can check out the video for. You can find it on my website. That has a really beautiful slaw and sauce with it. I love grilled halibut. This is my favorite part of every video. It flakes apart so easily. You can see the moisture in there. There's nothing like that charred smoky flavor and texture that you get with grilled fish. This is a super simple recipe, but it's very beautiful. I hope the tips help you make better fish at home. If you have any perfect grilled fish tips, make sure to share them below, because I know that grilling fish is a difficult prospect for a lot of people who are new to the barbecue world. So sharing is caring. You can grab this recipe on HeyGrillHey.com or in the Hey Grilled Hay app. We'll see you next time.